Wanted to give a quick update. I can't do a super long video tonight, but just phones exploding on notifications of Bitcoin dropping. Nice move there, dang. Look at that. So move over to 12-hour. Nice drop. Looks like we're getting a down for a little while on Bitcoin. And I would totally expect this to go. Let's check the psychosis lines. Going over to daily. Where we at? Move over to the whale lines. We could be getting a move down to, I would say, this area here. We need to watch it. Tomorrow we have Jerome Powell. So the market's going to do things like bounce off of the line and gain support again. So it's going to be very, very harsh, because that's just the way things are right whenever the Fed talks about things. But if we check over on NASDAQ, we can see that last week we ended with a bounce off of the psychosis line on a weekly. It's very good. You know, even if we're having a slight down, the monthly, like the stock market's ready to return. We're definitely going to go right back on the path and continue up, just like it's been doing. So you got COVID here, move up, came down for the recession last year, or no, 2022. Then last year we sort of had a move up. We called the bottom on everything around here, and you can see that it's just taking a breather. It's going to move up again, but we'll see what Jerome Powell does. I mean, there's a very, very small chance that it's going to go the other way. I'm telling you this from doing this for this long. Monthly S&P 500 futures, ES futures, it's like we're going to see it return. It's already almost back at where it was. We're going to be seeing new all-time highs probably tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, we were exploding on there. So what does that mean? That means that money's coming back. Session's over. I don't care what people say. I know everyone's saying the recession's here, is going to kill everything, everything's going to die. It's what they do, okay? They want you to sell, so that you sell, and you get out of the market, and then the market pumps. So I'm just telling y'all, that's the way it goes. It does this every time. It's been doing this for years. And so we had the move here on Bitcoin. It's still a move up. It's too early to see a turnaround on the monthly. But looking down at the weekly, I mean, like on the monthly chart, I can't really tell if it's going to turn around or not yet. So we have VWAP coming down as Bitcoin pumped. It looks like it's curving over. We may see a drop in Bitcoin. We just got to see what's going on next week. Here's daily. Nice split RSI. Money flow is increasing. VWAP is down. We may see a drop on Bitcoin. May get into the zone here. It could come down to here. I don't know if it would go that far though. 50%. We just have to see it. We need to know what's going on tomorrow in order to tell really what else is happening and how this is all going to react. But damn, look at that. But I'm expecting us to at least hit here for sure. I don't know if we'll go down to there. We'll switch over to the other layer of psychosis line into the swing lines. Or psychosis lines, yeah. And it looks like we did pull this area here, and maybe we do gain support in that area there. I feel like with these big candles, they do continue. That's something you got to be cautious of. And we want this wave trend to come down and form a buy before we see more of that area here. The psychosis lines will catch trades before market cipher pops it. So you just got to kind of, you know, we could have actually got there. That could have been our save. But anyways, it's just a matter of monitoring this. With this big ass move, I'd be expecting to go lower. It's just doing that, and then the next candle flips. We'll see where it closes. If it closes above here, we may get a move up, and then it flips back down. Gotta kind of see what it does. But 1 hour is not looking good. It looks like it's going to dip down and do a good buy, though. That's going to be... And this could be dumping because of the economy. Oh, here's all my trading view. I've been banned. I can't post on trading view for a week. I always get blocked. So we're gonna look over at the cryptocurrencies chat and just see what these people are saying. And this is just full of shit, so just don't pay attention to most of it. But we want to figure out the news and see what's happening in here. This right here, I mean, this chat is just... Yeah, we don't really know why. So, I mean, we can check out Crypto Panic. And Crypto Panic is an aggregated news. And this tells us kind of what's going on. 40 minutes ago, it's obviously not good enough because it ain't telling us. There's not really like any real news dumping it. That could be it. U.S. senators introduced bill. Remember we were talking about this and it didn't do anything? Sometimes we get delays. U.S. sanctions. Yeah, we'll see about that. So that could be what's going on here. Tomorrow we hear more about the economy. You know, but let's get into Jesus coin. Don't worry about Bitcoin. It's just doing what it's doing. NASDAQ moving up. Bezo. Interesting move down. Let me skip. Okay, moving over to Jesus coin. Daily is still there. It popped the buy. We're getting that move. Sort of a breather move down. The Hikanashi candles are still moving up. Just gonna kind of see how this is gonna play out. I'm hoping it does play out. 12 hour. It's still got some room up. VWAP's pointing down a little bit. Doesn't really mean much, but you know, we just got to see. And with the selling of Bitcoin, we may see people selling in these areas here. You know, it's sort of like a breaking sort of news type thing. So we'll see. I would I'd just keep an eye on it. We got 12 hour. We still got that buy signal. Still the buy signal here. Still the buy signal here. So we could just be breathing for a minute and then take off again. Oh yeah, let's keep an eye on it. I will be following the live stream. If you want to join me on there, you can know more. But Jesus coin to the moon. Anything else going on that we need to look at? FA down 10%. Bezo. Interesting news on that. I do, you know, some of these coins are dumping, like Luna Classic just dumped. You know, if you go back to the Bitcoin cycles of what we showed before, and you know that there is a point where pre-bull market we had a dump for a while, and you know, we very well may, as much as I don't want to say this, we very well may catch sideways until the next bull run, which is around June, May. If you're curious on the way these cycles work, our course does cover this. You can understand when the next cycle is gonna pop and everything. But yeah, I will see you guys in the live stream. Looks like everything's okay. It's just down a lot. Everything is really crap in the bed at the moment, and I think it probably will continue until tomorrow. So let's just keep an eye on it. The daily candle just changed, so everything's kind of moving out. Ordinal's coming down a little bit. So we just got to keep an eye on Bitcoin, see where it lands, where it's going. The NASDAQ seems like it hold up pretty well though. I wouldn't count on many people freaking out. That gap was filled other than the area here. But yeah, let's keep an eye. If anything major happens, I will be sure to post in the Telegram. Alright guys.